My fire and energy behind this van is because my mom and dad had the same van when I was born. And the day I left the hospital, I rode in a laundry basket between the swivel bucket seats. My name is Chris Wise. I cruise down here about 730 miles. We're at Spring Fever, Bevier, Missouri. And this is my Hotel California 1976 Chevy G10 Shorty van. I built this van, kind of a muscle car Chevelle Camaro guy, but I want to do something different. I do restorations and bodywork and paint. I paint for a living. I am a mechanic as well. This is my Chevy van. Well, let me give you a tour.
Awesome.
This is it.
So Chris, I gotta say this, like as soon as I popped my head around to see your van, I was like, oh my God, look at this thing.
I'm glad you like it. It used to be blue shag. I changed it to magenta showbiz. This is the actual shag that they use in the Billboard Music Awards. This is the same color. And I just thought, how neat, you know, being from LA and on a Hotel California, it just fit it right and it accents the blue real nice. This is an original from Cobra. Cobra built this van. It was a custom ordered truck with this den and kind of this Mexican wall. Two people can sleep in it. It's a little tight, but I'm 6 foot and I sleep in it by myself and I'm so comfortable.
You probably sleep kitty corner, like crossways, huh?
Yep. I sit at like a 20-degree angle and I sprawl out, and I tell you what, I sleep in this just as good as my bed at home. This is just as comfortable. Had a friend redo the cabinet for me. It's still all plumb. This is like an original style from Cobra. All the plumbing's there. The sink works. And really, in a boogie van, no one really used it. There's other reasons why it was used. I'll just say it, because you can edit this. That was actually the bathroom.
Okay.
And to clean yourself up after pleasureful moments, so you didn't have to get out of the van naked. And you can edit that.
Or not.
Or not. I mean, use it. And, you know, I sleep with this blowing on me, and I've got a 12-volt fan if I'm boondocking.
Mm-hmm.
And I got my heater, because the last 2 truck ends and van camps was in the 50s at night, so I put my heater up here. And I got fire extinguisher, a Frisbee, and a football, and just little things. And this is the original ice box.
Wow, look at that, your bar.
I keep some liquors, and I mean, for 45 years old, you could put a bag of ice up in here. It'll keep stuff cold for a day. Got a little drain, and the water drains from the ice so nothing gets flooded with water. It's got the 360-degree bucket seats, which are nice if you've got a couple people hanging out and you just want to chill in the van.
Yeah.
Factory tilt wheel from General Motors. The only thing that's modern is the Bluetooth radio. I had to have a little bit of modern tunes with some subwoofers and some nice Kenwood speakers, because that's like a must. And when we travel, we do CB truck travel. My handle's hotel. And I'll tell you what, we use it, and it's the fun of a CB is awesome. And I get on the trucker channel, like coming here, we had a rolled over dump truck, so I altered my route. I always play channel 19 so we know what's ahead. I listen to the truckers. We'll do a walk around.
Awesome.
Got side pipes on it, and I got a Corvette engine 30 over me, and my buddy did all the machine work and assemble ourself. And let's go to the back. Michael Swan do the pinstripe, and I had him do a special thanks and inspiration to my mom and dad for raising me. They did a pretty good job raising me, I think. I'm not too crazy. My friend Mandy Shook helped me through this. My crush, my engine builder, and he builds all my engines. And I got a Wild Cherry van, my buddy Chris Carter. Big inspiration with the build. And of course, 70s culture van living. Delaware Nights, this is our local club in Delaware, Ohio.
Okay.
We get together and cruise and have fun.
So can you open up the back, Chris?
Yeah. And here's the bed.
Cool.
I will demonstrate that I fit in it. Watch. And this is how I sleep. Of course, I move these, and then I'm 6 foot, so I just kind of, there's plenty enough room in here. And all my lighting does work, and it's original lighting from Cobra 45 years ago.
Wow.
And this is the original roof vent. It worked. The ceiling is pretty cool. Cobra did that, and I kept it. I just thought it was just so neat looking to have a vinyl button ceiling in it. So cool.
I think so too. And what about, I love these little windows.
Them are original as well. Them are called Astro Port windows. They're just little custom windows they were doing back in the 70s in the custom vans. I got little blocks that I put in them. Like these go on the back door. These will go right here.
Got it.
To block all the light, because I can make it dark in here, like total privacy.
I can do that with my van too. It looks like a little cave in there.
And like it could be midday, sun out, and I can just take a nap and I can put these in.
Cute.
Just like
Love
that.
it.
So
And
wait,
put it back. Check out the blinged out knobs.
Oh yeah, I did that. I just thought that was something kind of cool.
Oh yeah. I love how we find all these little places to stash things.
Because I don't roll this clean. I'm packed to the ceiling with Rubbermaid boxes.
Right.
Because
Okay.
right now you're seeing bare minimum show candy van.
Right, got it.
It's not pretty when it's packed to here. You never know where you're going to be if you got a boondock at a Walmart, or if you run out of gas in the middle of the Mojave, which has happened.
Sounds like a story.
I also bring tools. I got enough tools to change an engine out at a Holiday Inn.
Oh my God,
So
I love that
I can do
line.
about anything.
So thank you so much for showing me around your van. I absolutely love it.
I'm glad you like it, and it was a pleasure to meet you.
Right?
It's really cool. I didn't know you were gonna. I kind of knew you were gonna be here, and I seen you the other night, and I'm like, hey, it's Beverly.
Yay!
Yeah, I follow you on YouTube
Well,
and stuff. It's so cool to get to meet you.
This has been fun for me because I've been out there kind of alone doing van life, you know, and it's really been fun for me to see this great community of friends and people that just pitch in and help each other out and just love showing off their vans. And
Yeah, it's a different kind of vanning. You know, we call this the 2% world of vanning, and it's fun. You know, they've been doing this since '73. So it's been a while they've been doing this, and I'm new to it. I've only been doing it 5 years.
Okay.
And the people are awesome. They're great. They're so nice.
So much fun.
And just awesome.
I think so too.
And
All right, Chris, thank you so
all
much.
right, nice. Thank you.